Hi, how you doing? This is Gina with Crafty Grandma Gina. I have an unboxing. I spent a lot of money at the Lion Brands 5 for 10 and 4 for 10 since before Christmas. They've been doing it, and I got all these boxes. Plus, I opened some and put away. So, should we see what we got first? Oh, this is my nice one. I got shawl and a cake, wind chimes, and I bought 8 of them. The wind chimes is this color. It's a blue. Shawl and a cake is a 4. It has 481 yards, 440 meters, 5 ounces, 150 grams. It says that you can take one of these and make a shawl. I don't know how big a shawl it is, but I got 8 because I'm thinking I might want to make a nice little shirt out of it, like a t-shirt type shirt, but a nice summer shirt. Isn't that pretty? It's got like little sparkles in it. I don't know. There you can see them kind of. There you go. That's a good one. You can see the sparkles. It's real pretty. And so I got 8 of these, and I'll throw them in that bin that I got sitting there. Because yeah, there's 6, 3, and 6. I get rid of these boxes. There's those. Now what's in this big one? Let's see. Well, these were all separate orders because they didn't do it all at the same time. Well, they did, but I couldn't afford to buy all the yarn at the same time. And this one, let's see. So every time they did it, I'd go buy a little bit. Because I left most of my yarn in Michigan, and I only brought 2 totes with me. But then my husband came up from Louisiana for Thanksgiving. He brought me my 4 totes that were in Kansas in storage. So I have 6 totes of yarn, soon to be like 8. So this one I got landscapes and ice cream. This one is the ice cream. It is 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 294 yards, and 360 meters. It's a 3-weight yarn, 100% acrylic, and it's called Mochi. It's like a yellow and gray and white, or creamy colored. And I got 4 of those. So I got a bag of 3 and 1. They should have did 6 for 10 so we just could get 2 bags. And then I got some landscapes. It is this. Isn't it pretty? It's like a rainbow color. And landscapes is 100% acrylic, 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 147 yards, 134 meters. And this color is Fiesta. I love it. It's pretty. And I got 4 of those also. And they're almost all wound the same way. Look at that. Matching centers. Even though you never know that kind. Got a couple more here. Oh. This is not from, oh, it is from Lion Brand. This one is their Hand Dyed Heaven. And it's in the Bluetooth color. It's so pretty. Look at this. And I got 8 of these. Because even if I make one for my grandson, it needs to be, need more yarn, more. This is 2.5 ounces, 70 grams, 175 yards, 160 meters, and it's 100% acrylic, and it's a 3-weight. But isn't that pretty? So I got 8 of them, 2 bags, and 2 skeins. That might not all fit in that tote. Oh, and they sent me a little book. Well, I might have ordered that. I don't think I did. It's a book of Afghans. There's 12 different ones in here. That's kind of nice. I never even looked in the box. I just opened it and said, "Oh, it's that one," so that I could check it off my list of stuff. I still have some coming. Um, one came today, and I just opened it and shoved it in the. I ordered a bunch of green Kaboo because Kaboo is my favorite. And then this one I ordered. This one I got the beautiful you in the color Capri, and the beautiful you is it's like a teal color. You can't see the color very good. It looks blue in there, but it's a green. It's a teal, and it is 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 326 yards, 298 meters. It's a size 2 weight. But look at that pretty sweater on there. That's kind of what I wanted to do, is make a sweater for myself. But I don't know if 10 is going to be enough, since I've put on quite a bit of weight since this COVID and my thyroid issue. I just keep gaining and I can't stop. I don't know what to do. And so that's all of that. I did go to Walmart today, and following Ella's video from No Catchy Name, she found 64-cent yarn, and so did I. I got 8. I got 2 off-white, one a little bit darker, and then 5 of the beigeish color, light beige. And that's all I found. I didn't find any camo or anything like that. And I've kind of missed doing these videos, so yeah, I'm so glad to be doing it. I have a few more. I got a sponsored video from BB Crafts I'll be doing soon, and stuff like that. So kind of excited. So let's look at this book that they sent. So here's the 2 on the front, the first page. Oops, this way. They are, it's called, they're homespun soft stripe Afghan. And this one's called the Deep Blue Ripple. I like that ripple, but I don't really like homespun. And I think these are all homespun. This one is the Popcorn Bramble, right here. And that one, let's see where the next ones are. Oh, is that the only ones they got big pictures of? Oh, no, here we go. This one's called the Rawhide and the Mile a Minute. Rawhide and the Mile a Minute. And then, oh, they just tell you the page numbers. So, let's see, 7 is, this one's Granny on the Edge. And this next one is Soft Stripes. Then it's the Deep Blue Ripple again. Page 10 is the Popcorn Bramble. These are the 4 that it showed. The other 4. So there's 6 in there, not 12. That's what page they're on. So there's 6 in there, and I got this along with my order of the Hand-Dyed Heaven in the color Bluetooth. So thanks, Lion Brand. Appreciate it. All right, you all have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.